Good morning, class. Today we'll take the new topic of the chapter, Did Women Have Revolution? And it is the fourth segment of the chapter. Now here we will see the role of women in French Revolution. Student, if you see any revolution of the world countries, so you will find that in every in every revolution, women played a beautiful role. Whether we talk about our Indian nationalism movement and China and you can say American here, so many the participation of women is there. Now, when we talk about the French Revolution, so we cannot leave it untouched. So here we see that like what was the role of women in the French Revolution. We are watching here with the simple tools they are in the fight of that revolution. And remember that when National Assembly took place, they were declared as a passive citizen of the country. Passive citizens means passive means that there is no role of in them is in the society. But we cannot deny when we have seen the battle took place and the women were holding all the responsibility of the family and taking care of children and simultaneously earning livelihood. But on the other faces which have been given here, the palaces of Versailles means when we talk about the palace, we know that all kind of facilities were there. But after that, women were not happy in the rich family, even whether they're the daughter and the wives of any rich person. So means sometimes the conditions were not well for women. So here we'll see what was the condition. So most of the women in third estate had to work for living, means most of the women, because we are discussing here majorly the third estate where the women and men both are working and they were earning for the family, for the family survival. So most of the women of the third estate had to work for the living, and they work as a seamstress, laundress, or sold flour, fruits, vegetable at the market, and or were employed in the domestic servants in the houses of prosperous. Means you can imagine in a today's in Indian society, like what is happening, you'll see that means to enhance the income of the family, most of the work is done by women in our in society also. But when we are talking about it is 18th century when women were working like this. So most of the women did not have access to education or job, because when there's a question of enhancing the income of family, survival of the family, livelihood of the family, so that this happens. So women do not have access to education or job, means job training. They were only simply earning the bread and butter for the family, and everything like as a simple woman or ordinary woman is can do for the family they were doing. Only daughters of nobles and wealthier members of third estate could study at convent, means education if we talk about only to the rich women were allowed, because they have accessories, they have the sources to that, because sometimes education is allowed to the women and daughter of the rich family. So third estate could study the convent, after which their family arranged a marriage for them. Means the if you say that what is for them, there is nothing special for them, because sometimes they were only getting education. After them, they don't have any right to choose their partner. Means when we talk about this marriage system, it was done by the wish of parents. They could not have the right to choose their partner, and they cannot say yes or no regarding their marriage. So this was happened. And when we talk about the clubs which were continue at that time, sometimes when they heard about National Assembly, their role in the society, so means they particularly opposed this and they started their own club. So club were also, but through these clubs they demanded that women won't also enjoy the political right. They but women were disappointed when we know that the rule of terror was there. So sometimes this was because they were considered as the passive citizen. They demanded the right to vote, to be elected by the assembly, hold the political office, and only then they felt their interest be represented in a new government. Means they wanted, so people in the political clubs and their demands. So what happened, because I told you this, that they started their own political club in the newspaper Society of Revolutionary and Publican. So women was the most famous for them, and women were disappointed when the constitution of 79, I told this happened, and one of their main demand was they should come forward. They want to be the face of politics. So they demanded that their vote should be elected, that right to vote should be there, they should be elected assembly as the whole political faces, but atrocities were there for them. Why the state schools were created means some efforts were done, but sometimes you remember that you will see that they were declared illegal and they were executed like all the system which was introduced, that is guillotine. So the state schools were created, schooling was made compulsory for them, and their fathers could no longer force to into the marriage against, but it had happened when they got right to you can say vote, and they were considered as the member of society. So there are some laws introduced. Marriage was made into the contract, enter into freely and registered under civil law. Divorce was made legal and could be applied for by both the men and women. Means this happened literally, they got these rights. Means earlier they were not allowed, because of, you can understand the societies, if the divorce is there, they are not considered the good women. But now it had happened, women uh, could now train for job. Means they start doing some job in public and could become arrest for run small businesses. Women struggle for equal political rights continued. Means um, you can see that French Revolution took place in uh, 1789, and this was the period of time continuously 200 years they fought for this, and in 1946 the women of France got the right to vote and they won this. So this was the struggle for women which they did in the French Revolution, and they became the example of the, you can say, volunteer women, or they shone the mirror to the all women of the world society. So this was about the role of women in French Revolution, how they fought against the system. So I stop this video here. In the next one, we'll see the slave triangle and abolition of slavery. Okay, thank you.